namaste. It's literally a box. Look, absolutely amazing. Namaste. Oh my god, look at this for a view though. Ceremony is finished. This is my view. She was just putting something here. Alright, let's go up these stairs here. That leads. Namaste.
Namaste.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Let's go up these stairs here. All the way to the temple here in Bandipur village here in Nepal. And check it out. It's in the morning. Oh my god, look at this for a view though. It's a lot clearer than yesterday. Very beautiful, nice viewpoint over there. But we're gonna go up these stairs and we're gonna go and check out this temple here in the morning, because usually like rituals and prayers happen in the morning. So I've been told by locals like yesterday to go and check it out in the morning between like 6, 7 and 10 o'clock in the morning. Right now it's 9, so good timing to have a look and see it. And it's just more stairs in Nepal, man. It's always stairs in Nepal. Wow, look at that. What a view. Beautiful village. Highly recommend visiting Bandipur village. Super nice. Okay, that wasn't so bad. We're here. This way, right? I think it's this way. Let's go to the main gate here. Oh, there's not many people. I was expecting more people. Yeah, there's the temple. Wow. So the main entrance is just there. But I just wanted to see here first. What are they doing? The smell, that smell of temples everywhere you go in Asia is actually quite interesting. She was just putting something here on the bell. They put rice, flowers, paint. Let's go up. But I do think that if I want to go in, I have to take off my shoes. Namaste. I think it's here. He's ringing the bell. Ringing the bell too here. Yeah, inside, no? No shoes inside, yeah. I know. Yeah, I don't go inside. Yeah, of course. And you have like here one of the gods statue, and they put like this here. This is like a scent. It's actually, it smells amazing. And all this is burning as well. Flowers and leaves and paint and rice. Ceremony finish? Ceremony is finished? Oh. Praying finish? It's finished? It's over? Okay. Yeah. There's no point to go inside. It's very small. I can see it from here. I think the camera probably will pick it up. But yeah, that's actually pretty much what the temple is. Interesting. And see how they worship those trees as well. They'll build around it, but they'll never cut it. Namaste. And look at that. That's Bandipur. Namaste. Look at this for a view. Oh my god, the sky is clearer now. Oh wow. Such a colorful buildings here. Absolutely amazing. Nice climate too. Look at this man there. It's mad. Anyway, I really thought there would be like more things happening, you know, but I guess not. But we take what we can get. Yeah, that's it. That's the temple, but right now what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna go back to my room to film my room because I think it's quite interesting and it's a nice room to review as well and show you probably like what's like a 150 years old house up in the mountains of Nepal looks like, which is quite interesting. Final look into this gorgeous view before I go down those stairs. Amazing. Alright, let's go to the room now. Or the house, I should say. Alright, just on my way back to the hotel, I thought like maybe I film a little bit more of these beautiful houses just to show you what's it like. In the previous videos we covered the whole town here and we walked all around, and now we're back with a little bit of more footage until I get to my hotel. And yeah, you can see you got shops here, guest house, ATMs, and all that good stuff in between. The houses are amazing though, like it's got like a special charm into it. Shall we do it? Here in the center? Why not? And there's all the backpackers here. This is my restaurant. I want to go there for breakfast later on. And there are more of those beautiful houses. And this is mine here. Where is it? This one here. The orange one. Newa guest house. Very gorgeous. That's my boss there. That's the big boss. Hello. And this is upon entrance. They have like a restaurant here and a small bar. And you see like the doors are extremely small as well. Like you have to bend. Just like that. Like I have to bend to go in. And this is like going upstairs and downstairs. Downstairs is like where the locals are living, and we have a viewpoint here and a terrace. Beautiful, absolutely gorgeous view. This is what I wake up on this morning. Absolutely amazing. And we go up those stairs, really narrow and tiny. Like you really want to watch your head when you go down, especially. And this here is the space, and all these here are rooms. This is my room, we'll get into it in a second. We have the sink here, we have a window, and again this the terrace just down below, and we have the view here and the toilet, hole in the ground with hot water, shower, all that good stuff. It works. And now we go into my room. We unlock it. So we need our 2 hands for this. We unlock. Hello. And don't mind the mess. A bit of messy this morning, but it's like a box, right? It's literally a box, but it's all what you need, really. You know, that's it. That's the room. You know. And they obviously like done it up, but all this here is like all part of the old house, but all this here is not, you know. And just to kind of make it more rooms available, if we open this, is my view. It's what I wake up on this morning. Look at that, like how incredible is this? I love it. Yeah, it's a bit of like a cozy room, very small, but it works, you know. The thing about like Bandipur, like when you arrive and start looking for accommodation, what they do is like they have like always like the same rate. It's like they're averaging all the rooms. It doesn't matter what kind of room it is, regardless whether double, twin, solo, couple, all that. They're like charging 1,000 rupee. They try like 1,200, 1,500, but then they go as far as 1,000 without negotiation or anything. They just like, oh, well, for you, I'll give it to you for 1,000. And I started learning that it's they don't have a rating system for their rooms, so I understood like I can actually drop it more. I got this for 500 rupee, which is an equivalent of about like $4. Happy days. Anyway, that will be it. What we're gonna do right now is I'm gonna go and grab probably breakfast, and then after that probably I'm gonna go to the cave. That will probably be in the next video. If you made it this far, thank you all for watching, and please do consider subscribing if you haven't done so already. Give the video a thumbs up, it helps me, and of course it helps with the algorithms. And as always, see you on the next one.